Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to give an update on my counters and my cabinets and my subway tiles. If you haven't seen those videos, please go check them out. In case you haven't seen them, I did the peel and stick subway tiles and I did in my kitchen, and I painted my cabinets white, and I painted faux marble counters with my hands. Yes, I did faux marble with my hands. I can't believe I did that. The kit was pretty easy to do, so let's get into it. So here are my counters. As you see, they look pretty good up until this little spot right here. So I do have a little spot. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely there and it won't come up. So that's the counters over here. Let's look at the other ones. So I didn't take any of my appliances off. This is pretty much what I keep on the counters on a daily basis. And so this counter is where I usually like work. I don't have a lot of counters, but when I cook, it's usually like kind of over here. Huge spot here. It looks like a cup or something. I don't remember when this was made. I'm thinking it's coffee, but it did stain. I have another little stain over here and over here. And trust me, I wiped these counters off before the video, so these are like permanent stains. Now I do have enough paint to kind of touch that up. All I need is just like the white. And here it's gonna get a little tricky because it's coming into the marble paint right here, so I'll probably have to go over it a little bit just here and here with the black, and then the rest white. And then I'm gonna slide over here. Same thing here. This is obviously some red sauce and it will not come up. I've tried everything, it would not come up. Again, something over here and it won't come up. So I do have a few spots on my counters that are really irritating me. I think I'm gonna take the paint and just touch them up a little bit and bring it to new again. However, my cabinets are doing pretty good. No complaints. I don't have any stains on them at all. They're just white, so nothing major going on there. No chipping, no nothing. This is 3 months later, 3 to 4 months later. Everything's doing good. My subway tile is just regular subway tile, peel and stick. They haven't came up or anything like that. They're easy to clean. So nothing there. So the only problem I have is with my counters. You have to be careful about what you put on your counters. So all in all, I'm still really happy with how my kitchen came out. Despite the little spots on my counters, I'm still pretty happy about it. My focus was to stay under $500. I didn't want anything permanent. You know, being under $500, the backsplash, the cabinets, even the handles and the countertops, I think it was a good idea. It totally changed the kitchen, like completely. It dramatically changed. I also put in a farmhouse sink as well. If you want any of the products, the description is below. You can find it in my Amazon store. It's a Nuvo. I did the Nuvo paint kit for my cabinets, and I did the Giani marble kit for my counters. Changed out my handles, my knobs, my cabinet knobs. I'll have all that in the I'll have all that in the description below. I'm getting ready for my next video. I have some things in mind. If you have any DIY things that you would like to see from me, just let me know in the comments below. I love doing DIY things. Like, it's just so fun to me. This is what I do in my downtime. I just put some music on and I want to like create something or do something over. I don't know. It's my thing. what I like. That's what I like. I like making things sparkle, making things clean and pretty, you know? Anyways, thanks for watching this video and look out for the next video coming soon.